guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lucia here. I'm super excited to see you again. So today I'm making a Christmas bread pudding. It's super awesome recipe. This recipe is actually from Jamie Oliver. If you know him, I'm sure you like him. He's a super great chef. So this recipe is from him. It's a little tweaked by me, but anyway, you're gonna love it. So, and this video is in collaboration with Clueless Mama D. Check her out and also check the playlist. So you're gonna see all these mamas who are making these delicious Christmas recipes as well. So I hope you get inspired and also enjoy this collab and this bread pudding I'm making. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so here is what we will need. So we need bread, butter, 9 eggs, milk, whipping cream. We will need zest of 1 orange, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 140 grams of powdered sugar, and the milk is half a liter. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with the eggs. We need to separate the egg yolk from the egg whites, and we will include only 1 egg white. So 1 whole egg and 8 yolks. I'm going to open this one. I like to do it this way, so last one will be the whole egg. So now I'm going to put this on the side, and I'm going to first cut the bread. And now we are going to use the butter. And spread some butter on one side of the bread. So now we're going to heat up the milk with the cream and vanilla. We're gonna heat it up and mix it all together. Then we're gonna put the bread in it to let it soak, and then it's gonna go to oven. We're gonna whisk the sugar and eggs. Add the rest. Okay, you can set this aside. Now we're gonna peel the orange. we're gonna put the milk in the eggs, and we have to whisk it slowly. The milk is just gently heated, it's not hot, it's just a little like lukewarm. You can smell all the orange, it smells really nice. Okay, it's here, don't need it anymore. And now we're gonna put all the bread in and let it soak for like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put it in the smaller one. What's great about this dish that it's like it's very like kind of like soggy and very yummy inside, and it's like it creates a crust on the top. It's like super good. It's like it melts in your mouth. It's delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in. If it doesn't fit, that's okay. My dish is a little lower. Okay. Now this is a pan with water. Okay, now we will bake it for approximately 45 minutes. Okay guys, I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos with me. Go ahead and check out all the videos in this playlist. They are wonderful, really great recipes. And I will see you soon. Bye!